Welcome back, traders, to the channel. Again, our big figure trading. We've got two trades we'll look at from the overnight session. It's currently Friday the 24th of February. It's mid-Asia session. And we just want to have a look at two today. We've got the Aussie USD and the Aussie Swiss. We'll have a look at those two trades and see how they played out. So here the Aussie, again up here at 63, came just 1 pip shy. We like to have about at times a 1 to 2 pip buffer on either side of this. So currently the volatility is fairly slow, has been all week across the board, so the chances of price running through here are fairly slim, so you probably want to come in on the other side of the big figure if you felt price was fading. Just have a look at this here. Aussie holding up pretty good at this level here. We see it 62.54, new spike down here, and then we do a run up into 95, back again, pick up some liquidity. This looks a bit bullish at this point because it can't come right back into this 78 level. Then we spike up and then we do this fade. The only difficulty with this particular trade is we're at the New York session. Everything else out of the session is it's starting to fade. So that's the positive, is the fact that the chance of this pushing higher another 10 or 15 pips above the big figure are very, very slim. But then the B side of that, you need to put up with this type of lethargic trading, but because virtually this becomes the off hours where there's virtually not a whole lot happening, but we still come back 20 pips, which is fantastic in a very low volatility environment. If we just view the Aussie chart just on the hourly, we can see this level here at 62.50 holding up pretty good. Bit of a top range in here, then we push through, so fairly good rhythm. This is where you want to be out though, towards this 80 level, because it'll probably just play in around this area now for the rest of Asia. Very unlikely to push higher, but also it could also just be supported here at this level. The other pair to look at, Aussie Swiss, again we see a price run. This is a slow burner, this particular pair, especially at the moment. The ATR is like 34 or 35 pips, so we've ran from let's say London Open all the way up into the big figure, and that took quite a few hours, 5 or 6 hours just for 20 pips. Then we hit the big figure, pop through a little bit, come back down into this 93 level, and then we just spent several hours just above the big figure, and here we are right now. So this type of trade, you just want to bail on it, get out of it. This is like 8 hours worth of trading. It's just going to take up your mental capacity. You just want to get out. It could well come deeper, but we have 94 in here, so that's going to act as a support level. So it's just really time to get out of this thing. If it does come back about up to this 8 level, 57.08, then we're in a world of pain again. So I bought this one once entered and just move on. And just want to quickly show you here with the Aussie USD and the dollar index. You can see virtually this is driven by the dollar, the US dollar. If you look at this pattern here, then we go to the Aussie, which will all be reversed. So highly driven, correlated at the moment with the DXY. Okay, hope that helped, and we'll continue to be posting more of these big figure trades as they come to us.